Alright. Everybody say hi to Pastor Peace. Or Pastor Peace say hi to everybody.
Okay. Hi everybody.
Yeah. So 2 years ago, I was given a chance to go to New York and Washington, D.C. And for some reason, I was like, let me think about it. But I would be crazy to miss this opportunity because it's New York and Washington, D.C. Let's get real here. We're delayed 2 hours. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I really wanted to leave because get on that plane, but
Yeah.
I feel fine. Just chilling right now.
What does this airport have?
Food.
Food. Ready for a nap? I'm ready for a nap. We're gonna sleep at the airport.
Alright, how you feel about the trip?
I feel excited.
Excited, tired? I feel tired too. Alright, Sam, how you feel about the trip?
Excited too. And tired.
Right, excited with tired.
Everybody excited and tired. The man answer's gonna be tired. How you feel about the trip? I don't know. Tired? Tired. How you feel about the trip? Tired.
You think we'll ever deserve
How you feel, Deborah?
Oh,
I'm ready.
Oh, wait.
You can hear me.
Oh.
I am excited. I'm ready to get on the plane.
Wait to get on the plane. Yeah.
You ready for the trip? You ready for the trip?
What's the question?
You ready for the trip?
I'm ready. I'm just hoping everybody doesn't figure out that this whole thing's probably my fault.
What?
How you guys feel about the trip?
We know it ain't started yet.
I want to get to New York. That's all I want to do.
Want to get to New York?
So our flight got canceled because of a storm in New York, so we had to stay at a hotel that night and leave the next day. So we were divided into 2 groups. The first group, which I was a part of, leaves at 6 a.m. and the second group leaves at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and would all have to meet up in New York. The first group went from Milwaukee to Atlanta to Florida to New York, and the second group went from Milwaukee to Atlanta and directly to New York. place or we're learning about justice, you know. Everybody acting silly out here. We out here. Yes. All right. About the injustice that happens in our society, and right now we're taking a break and we're eating lunch. We are lost in the subway, trying to get to Brooklyn.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And
You just take the A train to Brooklyn. Wherever.
on a train. I'm not sure where we're going now. Let's get off right here. Doing very well. We have the map on our side. No, we're figuring things out. We know where we are right now. Hey.
Oh my God. Guys,
Right.
beat yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, we're here in Brooklyn.
In Brooklyn, yeah.
And we're going to serve food
Yeah.
and help in the pantry and the garden.
It's gonna be fun, right guys?
It's going to be fun. Say yes.
It's gonna be fun, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So everybody is tired from the train.
Yeah, we're lost in the subway, but we're out here now.
We made it.
We made it. So after visiting Brooklyn and getting lost in the subway, we got onto the bus to go straight to Washington, D.C.
You're safe.
Daddy,
Me and Mish, nobody else, just the two of us.
Bam! I'm here.
Okay,
Whoa.
Sam too.
Sam too. We're at the seminar, Washington seminar, and we're trying to settle in, and everybody is getting settled right now.
So how'd you find this place?
Remember when we knew, staying up all night, thinking where'd we go to feel alright. I guess we used to know what it'd be like to never be alone. Thinking about it now, don't know where I've been. Driving all the time, down every dead end, lighting up the dark on every road. When we see the stars shooting through the night, we're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper. Through the night, we're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper. Paper stars.
So what I really liked about this trip was getting with a group of friends and sharing our ideas of what we think about our society. I also like visiting Washington, D.C. and New York. On our first day in Washington, we went to a seminar program that started from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. This was the General Board of Church and Society, the Methodist building, which was next to the Supreme Court. Afterwards, we took a walk around Washington. The next day, we went to the House and Senate office to ask a couple questions facing today's issues. We also had a poetry slam and went to visit the Capitol building. Capitol just had a poetry slam right here, right? Yeah.
Heck yeah.
And we rocked it, spitting flames. So we're inside, and there's Columbia right there. And we're about to take a tour.
Oh my gosh.
We have our tickets. Is everybody ready? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Small.
Oh. Overall, I do not regret this trip. It was fun. I loved spending time with my friends, and it was very educational. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Push it. Hey. Push it real good. Push it. Hey. Can I get it? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey.